Let's face it, the idea of a course from a successful entrepreneur is tempting. We see these guys living the dream life, fancy cars, exotic vacations, and they're promising to share their golden formula. They talk about e-commerce empires, writing copy that converts like crazy, mastering the stock market, and even crushing it in crypto. It all sounds amazing, right? But hold on a sec, there's usually a catch. Welcome, my friend. I'm a masked millionaire trying to educate the world free of cost, and I'll make sure to teach you a few new things today in this video, so stick around till the end. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's been blowing up online, Andrew Tate course. You know the ones. These charismatic billionaires promise to unlock the secrets of wealth with their exclusive online programs. But what's the real story behind these courses? Are they the ticket to financial freedom or just another marketing gimmick? Let's dissect this billionaire's course, shall we? First, they'll likely throw a ton of information at you: e-commerce strategies, content creation hacks, even the latest on AI and client acquisition. It can feel overwhelming, designed to make you believe you need their paid program to truly grasp it all. They might even sprinkle in some success stories from past students, but how genuine are those testimonials? Now, there's a chance you might learn a nugget or two in this paid course, but here's the thing: valuable, actionable information is readily available for free online. You just need to know where to look. There are countless blogs, YouTube channels like this one, and even online communities dedicated to sharing knowledge on these exact topics: e-commerce, copywriting, stocks, business and finance, crypto, investing and trading, content creation, AI, you name it. Let me empower you. Here are some free online courses to explore. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer high-quality courses from top universities and institutions, often with free certificates. Industry blogs and websites, experts in every field share their knowledge on their blogs and websites. Research your specific interests and find the best ones. YouTube channels. There are incredible YouTubers out there creating fantastic content on all these topics. Subscribe to a few and watch consistently. You'll be surprised how much you learn. Communities and forums. Join online communities related to your chosen field. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences. Imagine the power you hold with this free knowledge. You can tailor your learning journey, focus on the areas that truly interest you, and build a solid foundation without spending a dime. All right, knowledge is power, but knowledge without action is like a fancy sports car stuck in neutral. Here's the key: take action on what you learn. For example, if you're interested in e-commerce, start a small online store using a platform like Shopify. It's free to set up initially, and you can experiment with selling products you're passionate about. If copywriting piqued your interest, practice writing compelling ad copy or blog posts. There are tons of online tools and resources to help you hone those skills. This is where the magic happens. You'll learn by doing, refine your skills, and discover what truly works for you. Plus, building a portfolio of your work shows initiative and hustle qualities that make you stand out in the real world. Wait, are you still around and didn't like the video? Just to remind you, this is a free initiative from a millionaire like me, so I hope I can at least get a like from you. Let me share the basic descriptions of some of the major topics that Andrew Tate course covers. First topic is e-commerce, short for electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. This business model involves creating an online store where customers can browse and purchase products. E-commerce can be done through various platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, and it's a popular way for entrepreneurs to start their own businesses. To make money through e-commerce, you can source products from suppliers or manufacturers and sell them directly to customers through your online store. This model is popular among dropshippers who don't hold any inventory but partner with suppliers to ship products directly to customers. You can also design and manufacture your own products, such as clothing, accessories, or home goods, and sell them through your online store. This model requires more upfront investment, but can be more profitable in the long run. You can also offer services like digital products like ebooks, courses or software, or even consulting services through your online store. You can also partner with other businesses and promote their products or services through your online store, earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Second topic that they cover is copywriting. It is the art of writing persuasive and engaging content to promote a product, service, or idea. As a copywriter, you can work with businesses to create content that drives sales, conversions, and brand awareness. To make money through copywriting, you can offer your copywriting services to businesses on a project-by-project basis, charging by the hour or by the project. You can also create and sell your own products, such as ebooks, courses, or software, using your copywriting skills. There's one more thing you can do is build a subscription-based model where you can offer ongoing copywriting services to businesses, such as monthly blog posts or social media content, for a recurring fee. Also, you can create and sell online courses teaching copywriting skills to others, either through your own platform or through platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Another topic which is covered by their course is about artificial intelligence, AI, which is a broad field that encompasses various technologies and techniques used to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI has numerous applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and marketing. To make money through AI, you can create and sell AI-powered products or services such as chatbots, virtual assistants, or predictive analytics tools that solve specific problems or improve efficiency in various industries. You can also use AI tools to generate high-quality content such as blog posts, social media posts, or videos, and sell them to businesses or individuals who need content quickly and efficiently. You can offer data analysis and visualization services using AI-powered tools, helping businesses and organizations to make data-driven decisions and gain insights from their data. One more topic that they cover is cryptocurrency. Commonly referred to as crypto, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or institution. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin have gained popularity in recent years due to their potential for high returns and the ability to be used anonymously. To make money through crypto, you can buy cryptocurrencies and hold them for the long term, hoping that their value increases over time. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies frequently, trying to profit from short-term price movements, or you can also mine cryptocurrencies, which involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the blockchain. They will also include social media part to earn money, as social media involves using online platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to connect with others and share content. Social media can be used for personal or professional purposes, and it's a popular way for businesses to reach their target audience. To make money through social media, you can offer social media management services to businesses, helping them create and schedule content, engage with their audience, and track their performance. You can create and sell products such as ebooks or courses that teach social media marketing strategies. Also, you can offer ongoing social media management services to businesses, such as monthly content creation or engagement services for a recurring fee. One of the major topics that they would cover is client acquisition, which involves finding and securing new clients for your business. This can be done through various strategies such as networking, marketing, and sales. To make money through client acquisition, you can offer consulting services to businesses, helping them find and secure new clients. You can create and sell products such as ebooks or courses that teach client acquisition strategies. You can also offer ongoing client acquisition services to businesses, such as monthly coaching or strategy sessions for a recurring fee. These were few of the most important and trending topics that your favorite influencer Andrew covers, which can also be learned free through the open source content. We'll make sure to post the same for free in this channel too, so don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What if there's specific advanced training you need? Here's the good news: there are fantastic paid courses available, but you need to be smart about it. Don't get sucked into the course trap. Instead, do your research. Look for courses with a proven track record from reputable instructors and that offer clear learning outcomes that align with your goals. Hope you learned something new. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on your new favorite channel, United Stacks of America, that will motivate you to earn more. See you in the next one.